Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I made a competition on X or Twitter for $100. I'm going to choose one winner in this video who picked the right pattern that I saw. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I've been making videos for 4 years. I've been trading for 24 years, and you can watch my videos for free and learn from me. You can watch it every day for free, and if you're skeptical, watch my videos and see over time what I do. And congratulations everyone on Nvidia, $1,200 and something dollars, but the market cap is $3 trillion. Going into the stock split, they're going to split the stock 10 times. So if you have one stock of Nvidia at $1,200, you're going to have 10 stocks of Nvidia at $120. And what happens when they do a stock split, it's a little bit like a trick. The price looks cheap. The price will go down to $120 and it looks cheap to buy, even though the market cap is $3 trillion. So the stock market is full of scams in a different way. Be careful out there. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. And the time to buy Nvidia is not at the all-time high, the second biggest company in the world, beating Apple now at $3 trillion. That's not the time to buy Nvidia. Crazy, 5% yesterday, and it's going for my target. Remember, I made this target of 1,319. It's playing out very quick. Why? Because you got this rising triangle, builds pressure, and breaks out the base of the triangle. That was my target, that distance there, and you can see that is playing out very quickly. I didn't expect it to play out so quick, this distance here, and you can see it's already almost hitting that target just a few days after I posted it, which is crazy fast. So just that would be the take profit target. Bitcoin 71,024. On the 4 hourly, I'm seeing a big inverse head and shoulders forming here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, already formed, already at the neckline. If this breaks out on the 4 hourly, that move will take us very far. Target's 88k, which was my final fourth to fifth final wave, which looks like it's in effect and almost there. There's only one danger that I see on the 4 hourly, and that's this rising wedge, and we need to break out of here. Usually rising wedges fall down, and that's why I've got these two trades set at my big supports at 63k and at 59k. And you can see those are my two Bitcoin trades. I wouldn't take a trade earlier than that, to be honest. Why? Because it's too difficult to go long at the very top. The time to go heavy long was in 2022, 2023, when we were going very long. Crypto Guru Bot still, let's see if on the weekly, still blue buy from February 2023. You get it in the Crypto Mastercourse, the bot. It's still a blue buy now. Hasn't fired a red sell. Still bull flag. This is a big bull flag that's on the daily time frame, on the weekly and daily. This big bull flag, which moves the base of the wedge. Stochastic turning up, volume a little bit coming back, which is good. On the daily, stochastic already overbought, but we have this big inverse head and shoulders on the daily. Now, if what would get it to nullify this? So this big inverse head and shoulders, it looks like it's playing out, but inverse head and shoulders does this. It's so normal head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, drop. Inverse head and shoulder, head, shoulder, pump. And you can see that kind of playing out right now. The only bearish pattern I see is this rising wedge that Bitcoin needs to break through to nullify. Otherwise, we will pull back to 63k. And to be honest, I see a double top on the daily as well. You see that? One double top and then another double top. Let's see if it manages to break through. The next 2 days, I think, are very, very important for Bitcoin. Either it breaks through and breaks out of this rising wedge, bounces and confirms and moves out and nullifies it, or it breaks down to that 63 and 59. And you can see that's how I've got my Bitcoin trades. If you want to trade like you want to see me do, underneath, I'm going to show you my Bybit account underneath the video. These are the exchanges I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus, and it's the main exchange I use. Take the Crypto Mastercourse to learn all this, get the Crypto Guru Bot and learn technical in us, and join us in the trading, in the Telegram, everyone trading together. And you can see here on Bybit, I've got my Bitcoin trades still set. 63k 3 Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin, 60,200, and 1 million Doge at 11 cents. I haven't modified those trades, and I haven't gone in earlier. It's been a few days. I want to catch the entry on a drop. It's too dangerous to take it now. If you want to do a short-term trade, it could be considered this is a double top, and you could try to short it down to this 63. But to be honest, I would never short Bitcoin in a bull market. So I'm mainly focusing on alts till Bitcoin decides, either activates my trades or pumps out. But I can't enter right now up here, because if I go long here just like this, it can easily liquidate the trade. It's so high up that even a little move down to 66k is too big for any trade. It will just liquidate any trade. So I need to wait till it drops, and I'm going to wait for this inverse head and this rising wedge, because it's very clear. It's a very clear rising wedge, and I'm going to post this separately as just a screenshot. And these are my two trade activations. Ethereum 3859, bull flag on Ethereum. Pole flag, it's a bull flag. The base of the pole is the distance that it can move Ethereum. That's the distance it can move, 4,400. But I would wait to enter a trade here on some kind of pullback, especially on the daily pulling back. I mean, we could bring it to this support. So taking the trade here, 3639, stop loss 3565, take profit 5335. There'll also be a big resistance at 4459. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. Risk to reward is 11 times. Risking $140 to make $1,600 per Ethereum with no leverage, 10x leverage, 1,650. Now I'm going to choose the winner over on X. Follow me over on X. I've got 85,400 followers. Bitcoin above this was 1 million people joined up to the stand with crypto on Coinbase, which is amazing. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called the children of God. A quote by Jesus. I love Jesus quotes. Nvidia market cap is now $3 trillion, worth 430 billion more than the entire crypto market cap. This was someone posted this inside my Telegram. James, I bought Nvidia from your call on the 6th of 2021, June 2021. Look at your call after 3 years, up 549%. He bought it at $175. Now it's at 1,200 and something dollars, 549%. It's up more now because it's pumped since then. Congratulations. And Nvidia market cap is now 3 trillion. The time to buy was back then, everyone, when it was $175. I would be very, very cautious buying it now. To be honest, I'm getting ready to short it. After the stock split, it's usually a sell the news event. How to vote your Tesla shares. Elon Musk posting about how to vote Tesla shares. You can vote online, you can vote by QR code, by phone, and I already voted for my Tesla shares, and I made a poll to see how many people would vote with Elon Musk to give him his pay package. And it was 65% of you wanted him to get his pay package. BNB, by the way, hit all-time high as I predicted in 2023. BNB is up almost 3 times since I called it, which is beautiful. MCRT building amazing tech. You can just see what I post on Twitter. But I want to try overnight 20% gain on Uniswap. Big congratulations to all of you who bought Uniswap with me. And what I want to find is this. So, do you see what I see? We'll choose one winner of 100 USDT. Follow me here, Telegram, Instagram, and on YouTube to win. Retweet, I'll pick one winner in my video. This was me posting about adding more to Tesla at 142. Tesla got a bounce off there, now sitting at 174. Which is a 26% bounce off the bottom from that buy. But what I posted about, what can you see here on Tesla? There was around 41 comments, 4,900 people saw this. And what I saw is a big inverse head and shoulders. I saw a really big inverse head and shoulders. That's what I'm seeing on Tesla, which I'm going to show you. Which I'll show you here. So when you zoom in, you can see this is the pattern that I saw. Inverse head and shoulders. And on this major support, stochastic oversold, this inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, the one I taught you in this video. Inverse head and shoulders is forming on Tesla. And if that plays out, an inverse head and shoulders on Tesla like this, it will take you the neckline. This distance here, from the shoulder, it will take us to the yearly resistance, 248. If this inverse head and shoulders plays out, 249 will be the target on Tesla. I was buying it at 141, so we're already up. I was buying it in 141 in May, right? I was buying it in April, 22nd of April. I bought it at 141, and now we're sitting at 175 around. And if this plays out, that gain from the bottom will be, we're already up 26% from the bottom buys, but that will be 79% if this inverse head and shoulders play is out. Now I'm going to pick the winner. So 41 of you commented. Thank you very much. I'm going to choose the winner now. So inverse head and shoulders was the right answer. We are seeing a two pattern for sure. Thank you, James. Bullish pennant. I'm not seeing bullish pennant. Yes, could be considered a bull pennant a little bit, but that's not what I was trying to say. You could say it is a bullish pennant though. I'll show you why. So I see what they're seeing. They're seeing this smaller time frame pattern. If we go in the 4 hourly, you can see here a bull pennant, pole and bull pennant, which is a bull flag or a bullish pennant, which moves the base of the triangle, the base of the pole. So this distance here, and if it breaks out of this bull pennant, target would be 209, which is beautiful. But that's not what I was seeing. I mean, that's not the pattern that I didn't even notice that pattern, to be honest. I didn't see that. I saw this big inverse head and shoulders forming. So bullish pennant is correct though. It is forming a bullish pennant. So okay, I can choose anyone who said bullish pennant, or it's definitely oversold. Inverse head and shoulder, yep, and giant pennant, crypto trinity. That's what our inverse head and shoulders, and it is also a bullish pennant. Instagram, I'm not sure why. Weird. Okay, so we got bullish pennant, inverse head and shoulders, stochastic oversold, daily support, bullish pennant. This was correct. Also bullish diamond. No, following me. Thank you very much. Bullish pennant. A lot of people bullish pennant. I only see beauty in charts, James. They are beautiful. Thank you. So many people are learning I see a head and shoulders forming, which has got inverse head and shoulders. So it's a bullish pennant, also an inverse head and shoulders. This is the best trader I've ever met. Thank you very much. I see a bullish diamond. So, okay, I'm going to pick the winner out of 49 comments. Ready for $100. Bullish pennant or inverse head and shoulders. And the winner is bullish pennant forming on the left shoulder, inverse head and shoulders. The pennant will rise with the length of the pole and inverse head and shoulders with the base of the head. Perfect answer. Congratulations. On 100 USDT, my team will contact you and send that. Good job, XMR. Congratulations, everyone. And again, to learn all of this, the links are down below. The exchanges that I use, the courses, and the Telegram you can join and trade with everyone. In this account, I've got now 625,000. I went up around $15,000 or $10,000, $14,000 the last 2 days, which is beautiful. My breakdown of holdings is, did my Doge buys go through? Some of my Doge buys went through, but I'm holding Doge 6.7%, Uniswap 37%, MCRT 18%, Bitcoin 13%, Uni 9%, World 7%. And you can see this is the breakdown. MCRT 95K. I've been accumulating a lot, but you have to do your own due diligence. I was a seed investor. Bitcoin 71K, up a bit. Uniswap 46K, slightly down. WorldCoin slightly even. Pocket slightly even. Dogecoin slightly even. In the next video, I'm going to I'll check out Doge quickly just to see, and then I want to see Uniswap in the next video. But let's quickly do Doge. 16K. 4 hourly, this rising wedge as well. It's trying to hold. It didn't break down, which is good, but this is a rising wedge that usually breaks down like I'm seeing on Bitcoin. But on Doge, it just moves sideways. It didn't break down yet. It is overbought on the daily though. Crypto Guru Bot, which you get again in the Crypto Mask, of course, fired a blue buy back here when Doge was 0.06 cents, and now we're sitting at 16 cents. So since the Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the Crypto Mask course, fired a buy, we are now up 131%. But I'm seeing two patterns forming here on Doge. It's still a blue buy on the Crypto Guru Bot. I'm seeing two patterns. I'm seeing this rising wedge that I want to play out so I can activate more trades on Doge. This one usually builds pressure and drop down. And then I'm seeing this bigger overall pattern, which is this descending triangle, which usually plays out like this. Builds pressure, breaks out 70% of the move to the base of the triangle, which is this distance here. So Doge really has some ways to move, but if it manages to break out now, 24 cents will be the target. But we have to see how it reacts. Either we're already broken out. If you zoom in, you can see we're already actually broken out. It needs to hold this trend line, bounce with volume, and head up, which it looks like it doing. It didn't break back into the blue triangle, which is interesting. So Doge could go for a run. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to do Uniswap and Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Hope you learn a lot. You can learn it all in the Crypto Master Course. If you're skeptical or you say I have a beard or I'm already retired multimillionaire, I live on the beach. It's up to you if you want to learn from me and watch these free videos. If you're skeptical, watch them and you can learn over time. And let's see how it all plays out. Love you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again.